Reflections. What does that really mean? It just means to just sit back and go over the course of your life. And during my time of reflections, I decided to talk to the people that I know understand me most, which are my sisters. And so today what I'm doing is I'm setting up a spa day for my girls, my sissies as we call each other. And I just love them so much and I appreciate them. They support me in everything that I do. And so today I just wanted to be able to give back. And so we're going to have just a spa day, just the girls, just talking about where we are in our lives, talking about the children, talking about the spouses, talking about careers and our goals. And so let me just take you there. What I did, and let me just tell you, you can have a spa day on a budget. And I don't spend a lot of money on things, but I just try to make everything that I do, make it look like it's quality and make people know that they're appreciated. So what I did is I went to the dollar store and I purchased these pails and I purchased some bath salt and all the things that a person would need in order to just relax and soak their feet and just have a great foot soak. And all of these items, believe it or not, came from the dollar store with the exception of the Pond's cream, and that came from Target. But what I did is I just bought the containers, I bought the bath soak, the foot soak, and I just put a little flour on top. So you can take something that you already have in your home and enhance it. The pedicure sets, they all came from the dollar store. The little mats that's under to absorb the water, that is a dollar store item as well. So for about $5 or $6, I was able to show my sisters how, much I appreciate them. And then, let's move on up. We're talking about reflections. So I want to just take you to these mirrors here. And these mirrors will allow us to just look into the mirrors and see ourselves. What do we see when we look at ourselves? Yes, we've aged through time. Yes, we've been through some things. But guess what? We came through it, and we came through it because we had each other. I love my sisters because I can lean on them and they know that they can lean on me. So as we sit and soak our feet, we can laugh. And hey, even if we want to cry, we can cry together. But we're just reflecting on our lives together and the things that our parents have taught us. And one of the things they taught us is togetherness. Stick together no matter what. Stick together. So again, I just wanted to show them how much I love and care for them. So we're looking in the mirror and we're taking a long look today. So I want to bring you over to the hand towels here. A trick that I learned with the hand towels is, if you have a slow cooker, you can take the slow cooker and you put a cup and a half of water in the slow cooker, and then you add your hand towels with into the cup and a half of water. You're going to put some essential oils, whatever your fragrance is. Put that in there, put the hand towels in there, and then pour another cup and a half of water in there, and then put the top on it and let it simmer on slow. And what that does is it just makes those towels hot and have a great fragrance. So when they're wiping their feet, or even if you're doing a facial, then they have a beautiful hot towel that's full of fragrance. And so fragrance is all in the air. The fragrance of love, the fragrance of friendship, the fragrance of sisterhood, it's all in the air. So that's what I want to do for those girls, my special girls, my sissies. And we have the sponges if they want to just, wipe their feet off or whatever. We have the candles that's going to give a good fragrance and just put them in a mood. And guess what else we have? We have the smoke, we have the infusers that's just kind of put us in a mood. If we want to close our eyes and continue to reflect, we can do that. And what else do we have? We have food. But not just any kind of food. Since this is a spa day, we wanted to make it healthy. We're used to eating greens, beans, potatoes, tomatoes, but today we're going to have a healthy salad because we want to live a healthy life, we want to live a full life, and we want to live long and do it right. We have children that we want to be here for. We have parents that we want to be around for. We have spouses that we want to be around for. And guess what? We have each other. So take a minute. Get with your sisters. Hey, you can even do this with your brothers. Get with your spouse. Get with your friends. Or just get by yourself and just reflect. Put your feet in a tub of water, girl, man, and just enjoy yourself and think on those good things. Whatsoever things are lovely, whatsoever things are kind. Think on these things and watch how your life will grow, and watch how you'll just grow in Christ and just grow in your business, grow in your job, grow in your home. Just grow. And it is so.